Family, what is up? So I'm super excited to bring this video to you guys. If you've read the title, OBJ and Xbox have teamed up together to create two new Xbox controllers and a pair of custom Air Force Ones. I need two per. You feel me? Now, I will say I'm not a super big fan of these custom Air Force Ones. Honestly, they just took a black pair of Air Force Ones, slapped some green laces on them and the Xbox symbol and called it a day, right? Very, very plain and basic. But I do think the concept of OBJ and Xbox teaming up together is very, very dope. So if you're new to my channel, I discuss entrepreneurial advice, digital marketing strategies, and I give YouTube advice to help build your online brand and business. And one of the main strategies that I give to you guys is influencer marketing. So I'm very interested to see, how Xbox teaming up with OBJ pushes consoles, because that is the main reason that they team up with somebody like OBJ, is to help push consoles, okay? And I want to show you the marketing strategy that they have, and they created this marketing video that I want to show you right now.
What's going on, OBJ here. Today Xbox is going to be capturing some of my dreams, taking it, making a custom controller and a pair of Air Force Ones. I'm sitting in the back of my car, and the roof is dark like space, and it has shimmering stars that I can move with my hands. Everything in this world feels weightless. From my ride to the stars, I'm going somewhere big. Growing up, I was always an Xbox person, so just being able to be a part of this launch is very special. One of the controllers, the stars, is obviously from a dream, and the other one is actually from the game room. Gaming to me is like being in a dream world. It takes you to a whole nother place.
So I really enjoyed this concept video. For me, anything BTS, I'm a sucker for. So whenever someone talks about the concepts and the theories behind how they created something and then visually, depict it, hey man, that's for me. But I think his concept was super dope. I think the execution of it was to be honest with you guys. I think they could have did better, especially on the shoes, and a little bit better on the controller, but I'm just being a little nitpicky. But definitely let me know your thoughts down below. What do you think about the controller, and what do you think about the shoes? But yeah, like I said, anything BTS is super intriguing to me. But from a business and marketing standpoint, I think it's very interesting to see what they're gonna do with the shoes and the controller, because I know this is a giveaway. The giveaway I think starts on December 11th and it runs through December 24th. So if you want to enter, I'm going to try to find the link and link it in the description. But I know for these gaming consoles, right, they don't make a lot of money from the console themselves. They make a lot of money from the accessories and the games and the licensing. So I think they're probably going to end up selling at least the controllers. I don't know about the shoes themselves, because I know Sony has partnered with Nike, and I think Xbox has partnered with Nike before, or other brands to create a shoe. They might raffle it off for charity or something like that. I don't think they're probably gonna sell the shoe itself. I would be surprised if they did. But I think it's very interesting how a tech company is teaming up with influencers and different type of pop culture icons to help benefit their profit margin. So if you have an online brand or business, definitely think outside the box. Just because it may not necessarily be in your niche doesn't mean you can't utilize an influencer to broaden your reach. So let me know what you think about OBJ and Xbox teaming up. I think it's dope. I think it should help their bottom line. And I think it's really, really cool that a tech company is, pushing their brand into pop culture and other type of niches that are different from, their standardized, just pushing out games and stuff like that. So that is it for the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoy it, make sure that you thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, be easy.